In this demo, we will learn the uses of basic HTML5 text representation tags. As usual, the program starts with the tag doc type that indicates the web browser that it is an HTML document. Later, it is a part of root element HTML which commences the starting of the program. The head tag contains all the head elements. It contains a title tag that shows the title as a text representation at the top of my web page. In the body, it contains the Ruby tag. The Ruby tag specifies the Ruby annotation. Ruby annotations are used for East Asian typography to show the pronunciation of East Asian characters. It contains RT and RP attributes. RT element that gives that information and an optional RP element that defines what to show for browsers that not to support for Ruby annotations. Later, the we had some text using dfn tag which represents the definition tag good morning, hi, how are you is placed in between the dfn tag that specifies the definition term of that text represented. Later we had some nbsp which represents the knob space used to give specify the single space for each after the text abbr tag. The abbr tag here indicates abbreviation like www that gives the useful information to the web browsers. It contains an attribute named as title that contains the title of abbreviation. The q tag here defines the short quotation. Browser includes the quotation mark at execution time. The p tag specifies the paragraph text placed in between. This will be displayed in the paragraphical format. Contains the site attribute that specifies the source of the quotation. Break tag is used to specify the a single line break for each tag specified. Later, it is the turn of the site tag. Here we can see that specifies the source of the quotation. Break tag is used here to maintain a single line break for each tag specified. Uh, Later, it is site tag specifies the title of the work. Again, we have q tag that defines the short quotation. Again, maintaining some line spaces using some break statements here. Later, it is the tone for the em tag which represents the emphasized tag used to display the text in a bold manner. Next, it is the tone for the var tag, which is used to follow by break statements. The var tag specifies the variable of the entire text. Later, it is the tone for the samp tag, which is defines the sample output from the computer program. Later, we have been used the tag I to display the text in an italic manner, and we had been used some b tag which represents the bold tag to display the text in a bold manner. Here we have been used the sub tag which is used to display for the text h2 to display the two value as sub for the character h. Later we had written the sup stands for super tag is used for x3 to display the value in the power of x as 3. The text placed in between the small tag will be displayed very small comparing with the other text has been displayed in the web browser. The text placed in between the strong tag is used to display the text in a bold manner. Let us save the program and we will run and observe the output as follows. This is the way to display the Ruby tag content, and this is the way to display the definition tag content. And here we had some spaces here by using some nav space tag, and this is the regarding the abbr tag, and this is related to the content display the q tag and p tag content, as well as display some paragraphical text also. and this is regarding the em tag here, and this is regarding the variable tag here, and this is the sample text content here. We can see that, and this is the italic tag content here, and this is the way to display the bold font style, and this is the way to represent the sub tag content, and this is the way to represent the super tag content, and this is the way to represent the small tag content, and this is the way to represent the strong tag content.